Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 2050. Redmi K30 Pro has finally gone official. The new budget flagship from the Xiaomi sub-brand is packed with top-of-the-line specifications such as Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 SoC, the more efficient LPDDR5 RAM, support for 33W fast charging, and vapor chamber cooling among others. Additionally, the company has also launched the Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition. The dual-SIM Redmi K30 Pro run Android 10 with the MIUI 11 custom skin on top. They feature a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The phone is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM. However, the 6GB plus 128GB variant of the Redmi K30 Pro has LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. In the imaging department, the Redmi K30 Pro's quad rear camera setup is headlined by the 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor backed by optical image stabilization. It is assisted by a 5-megapixel macro camera, a 13-megapixel wide-angle snapper that offers a 123-degree field of view, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor.